Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13. And I hope everybody had a great Father's Day weekend, guys. I'm sorry I didn't post a video on Monday. I apologize. Um, like I told you on Friday, I wasn't feeling very well. I was diagnosed with food poisoning, and I'm better now. My voice is a little gone. We had an SCPGA tournament today with my daughter, so I wasn't actively trading today. But it's going good with the SCPGA tournaments. We did great. Both my daughters, one placed third, the other one placed second, and we have another one at South Padre Island on Thursday. So I'm only trading for swing trading from today to tomorrow, and then the rest of the week I'll be in cash. That means I'll be exiting all my positions and not trade till the following Monday, guys. I will not be posting any videos. I'm gonna enjoy family time and focus on the tournament. Having said that, guys, let's get right to it. These are swing trades from last week. I'm going to recap them, see how we did. I did have a green Monday. I was green yesterday, so that was great. And one of the callouts from Thursday was, again, I didn't have a video neither on Friday. So Friday and Monday, no videos due to my illness, guys. I just couldn't focus. I was recovering, and the Mets were strong. So I was napping all day, watching movies all day with the family. Okay, again, so let's get right to it. Rejection at 3 right here. So we're looking for it to push to 3, take profits right before. I called it out here on Thursday. I took profits at 280, at 290, 293, 295. I did not get to top take or anything like that. Again, I traded conservatively. Again, it did get rejected. Now, what I'm expecting for this to do, I have alerts set at the 290, 295 level and the 297 level. Comes and tests this 3 level again. I'm looking for it to break over and continue pushing up. Again, 3 level is critical, and it's on watch again for this week or the next 2 weeks. If it completely just breaks down, then you know what, we'll move on to the next one. But I do have alerts set for those levels, like I mentioned. The other one from last week that I didn't get to review with you guys on the trade, how it went. M didn't call it out on Thursday. I took profits here at 147, 150, and 153. I did not top ticket, guys. Again, $5 is what I traded. So another successful one. And you can see that 150 level is critical. Again, 160, 150. I do have alerts set in case it comes back up. It did have this big sell-off day, so I don't know. I mean, right now I'm just gonna move on from it. I set some alerts here. If it comes and tests them again, they'll all be interested right now. It gave me money. That's all I care about. And I'm going to move on to the next one. That's MGen from last week. MBIS was on my watch list for Thursday. I did not trade it. I didn't trade MBIS, guys. Again, I was feeling sick on Friday. This would have been a great intraday setup. All right, a great intraday setup. Now, why wouldn't I have held this for a swing trade for Monday or Tuesday? I'm going to explain that in a little bit. So this was on watch from Thursday to Friday. I told you, you know what, I'm looking for it to come and test the or break over the 150, and then show support at 150, and then I'll be in it. And that's what it did on Monday. Yesterday, it opened above, and during the day it came down. It tested the 150, as you can see this bottom wick, right? It opened up here, tested 150, and then it came all the way back up to 190. Sorry about that. And then it closed very, very, it didn't close. It was a weak close. It closed way, way below the high of the day at 190, guys. So that's why I wouldn't have held this for a continuation to today, to Tuesday, for that simple reason that it had a very weak close. And as you can see, it just got knocked down again. So that would have been my trade. If I would have taken a trade, it would have been a day trade on MVIS. Uh, MVIS, that was on my watch list from the Thursday video. CYCN was another one that would have been on my Friday video, right? Why? Because as you can see, if you know my trading style, the patterns I look for, if you watch some of the previous videos, I like the A, B, C, which would have been our entry somewhere here, and then the D where we take profits, right? I would have taken profits where this rejection is, at probably about the $6 level, taken some off, let some ride, see how far it goes, take some profits off at a whole dollars at 7, taking some more, probably exited, I don't know, and then continue and so on and so forth, right? So I would have been taking profits along the way. Again, I was sick on Friday, guys. I didn't take any positions uh, that I missed. I missed out on this. I was napping because I was under medication, so uh, that's the way it goes, guys. I don't wish it upon anybody. Food poisoning is horrible. So TRVN was a call out again from last Wednesday, I believe, or Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, yeah, from Thursday again. Why? Because it broke out of this flag pattern. And then I told you, I don't think it's going to go right away. I think it's going to trade sideways and then continue its push up. And it did, guys. And I've been holding it, and I sold today at 184, 187. I got out of it as soon as I could. Remember, I had a tournament, so I just took profits as I had a chance to look at my phone before we got started. TRVN. Right now, I'm out of TRVN. Now, callouts from today, CNET. This one, I'm going to tell you why. This one's a high risk trade. I didn't take a bigger position. I did take a good position, but not the full amount I usually take on swing trades, because this is a higher risk trade, and I'm going to tell you why. Okay, you see this big push and then this big rejection, this big sell-off with upper wicks. Upper wicks are telling you that it does not hold levels, as you can see here. Now, why did I take a position on it? Well, let me explain why. And again, I didn't take that big position that I usually take because of the higher risk. So you know that I like whole dollars and half dollars to be support and resistance. And there's a good reason why. I'm going to show you on this one. This one's perfect to show you that. It got rejected at the 150 level once, twice, 3, 4 times, and then today it came and tested it. But the difference is the volume, the price action on this big candle, and the close. It closed pretty strong. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to work, guys. I mean, that's why I didn't take that big a position. But the reason I did that is because, it had this flag pattern, it broke out. It had this flag pattern, it broke out. Now what we're looking for, if it doesn't break it tomorrow, we're looking for it to stay somewhere here above that 140 level, right? We don't want it to break below that 140 level. It might come, because you can see it's very volatile. So if the 140 or 130 becomes support, which I'm not willing to all the way to 130, if it comes and shows support, if it breaks down below 140, 138, 137, I'm out. If it starts curling back up, I'm back in it. Why? Because I'm not the kind of trader who wants to have my money. Again, I'm an active swing trader. I don't like having my money just be there just in case it comes back up. Okay, so if it doesn't work, I'm down 3-5%, I'm out. If it starts working tomorrow, I'll start taking profits at 160. As you can see, it's a previous rejection. It's got room all the way to the previous highest rejection of $2. So I'll be taking profits along the way if it does break out. This one, as you can see, has a history of making big moves, right? It broke over 150, it came all the way to 2. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to happen. That's why I'll be taking profits off as it's going up if it works. So that's the reason I'm in it, guys, with a smaller position than normal. Next one is TOUR tour. This one, it's that kind of similar pattern, the ABCD pattern. Right now, we're looking for it to come and test this level, probably a couple of days to the 150. That's where I would want to take profits, and it had a good increase in volume today. So we'll see what happens. I took a smaller position again because I will not be very active this week because we have an STPGA tournament coming up on Thursday. So tomorrow will be, I'm just swinging trades from today to tomorrow. I'll be out of all my positions by tomorrow. I will not be holding any positions Thursday or Friday, and I will not be calling out anything because I will be focusing on the STPGA tournament for my daughters on South Padre Island, guys. So we'll see how that goes. That's Tour. LLIT is the next one, guys. This one did have a big sell-off, so there's a lot of overhead resistance, but I like that it's above the 180, and you got the crossover with the 20 and the 50, and it's currently closed and traded above the 180, for a good while with it making higher lows, and of course increasing volume, right? So now we're looking for a push to one, take profits at one. That would be a profit taking zone for me. 115, possibly 120, the other two. But that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a home run trade. I look for base hits, 5 to 10%, like I've told you. So we'll see how it goes on LLIT. And the next one is a recent IPO. Grill, guys. It's starting to curl back up with increasing volume. I would have loved to see more volume in it, but like I told the WhatsApp chat group, I'm taking smaller positions because of the low volume, but it's trading and above the 20 and the 50, with the 20 crossing over the 50, right? And then this big price action, this big kind of engulfing and candle with a big strong close. So I'm just looking 5 to 10% return on this one as well, guys. I got back from the tournament today. We had that tournament at Tierra Santa, and my daughters did pretty good again, third and second place. So I got back like around 2 o'clock. Only had about an hour sparingly because I was eating in between and stuff, and I was hungry. But that's what I got to see. That's what I have for you all today. I know there's been some comments posted on YouTube, on TradeView and stuff like that. People wanting to join the group. I am working on a separate group for those of you. Probably do it free, guys. I don't know. I mean, I really I'm in it because I like teaching people this stuff. I'll keep you posted on stuff like that as soon as I get stuff ready. I'm working on something. If anything, there might be a small charge to join a group, but it's not going to be a big deal. Basically 50 cents a day, guys. I don't know. Just something for the effort of the construction of the site. That's pretty much it. But if it's possible, I prefer for it to be free. We'll see how it goes. Again, guys, if you have any questions, post them on the comments. Put them on the WhatsApp chat. And I hope everybody, again, had a great Father's Day weekend. And I hope everybody's green throughout the week. If you all have any other suggestions, guys, just post them up there. I know somebody posted ONTX, that they're holding ONTX. They've been holding it for a while. I have been looking at this one for a while because it's had this uptrend. And right now it's looking really good, guys. It's above the 180 with this push up, and it's starting to do this curling action now. On this one, and it's good if you want to hold all this, through all this level, and that's fine. Again, I'm not a person who does that. But now I'm interested in this one because it's got this rejections here. If it can put a solid candle, break over the 70 level, and come and test this, then I'll be interested, depending on if I see a candle like that. For now, it's on watch. I do have alerts set over the break of 65, 66, and 67. If it breaks this previous rejection here, comes and tests that 70 level, I'll probably take a starting position. If it comes and break the 75 level and closes strong or shows support there, I'll be adding for a push higher, right? Because this one can move. We've traded it before. It has made some big moves previously. So, we're looking to that $1 level, or that $1 level here, right? Where it's had previous rejections and it's a whole dollar inflection point. So that's what we're looking for, guys. Again, ONTX, somebody posted it, and, they're up 40%. A good job. Hope it continues working for you. That's pretty much it, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Buddy, take care.